Hey, it's Dustin from SalonGrowthAcademy.com, and I help hairstylists and salon professionals build beautiful websites and then drive traffic to those websites so they can grow their business. I make these videos because there's a lot of broke hairstylists out there, and I don't want you to be one of them. So in this video, I'm going to take a look at a website that's kind of local to me, actually, and I'm going to show you the things that are wrong with it. So if you're looking to build your own website, I'm going to show you the elements that need to be on your website so that you can grow your business faster, because the most important part of your website is that it actually turns visitors into clients. And if it doesn't do a good job of that, then you're leaving money on the table and your business isn't growing as fast as it could be. So today, we're going to go over the computer right now and we're going to look at Bloom Salon in Sun City, Arizona. Okay, so here we are in Bloom Salon, and I told you it was in Sun City because that's the Google search that I did, but it turns out these guys are in Glendale. So I'm not exactly sure what that's about. But anyway, I'm going to tell you real quick. There's three things in this header section. So when I say header section, I'm talking above the scroll. Before I start scrolling, I need to know three things about this website. One, that they are a salon. Two, that how are they going to make my life better? How are they going to give me an excellent hair service? And number three, how do I schedule an appointment? Those are the three things that the visitor needs to see in the first 5 seconds. Otherwise, somebody's going to click the back button and you've lost a client. So I'm going to judge this website based on those three criteria and then some other things as well. Number one, can I tell that they're a salon? Yes, from their logo, it says Bloom Salon. I can tell that. So that is a positive for this website. Good job. Number two, how are they going to make my life better? How are they going to give me an excellent hairstyle? I can't tell anything. All it is a logo. Looks like there's two different locations here that I can click on, and then it says two convenient locations with a video here that I actually have to click. So I'm not going to be able in the first 5 seconds to know how they're going to give me an excellent hair service. Number three is how do I schedule an appointment? Well, I have to scroll down. Probably I'm hoping that they'll give me either a phone number or an online scheduling option if I scroll down, but there's nothing above the fold. There's nothing the first 5 seconds that's going to tell me how to schedule an appointment. So based on that criteria, these guys have failed, actually. Let's look at their video real quick just to kind of judge what it is. I'll show you what they're doing here. Okay, so they're using just background music and some B-roll of action shots. Looks like this was done, and I don't want to put down an iPhone because an iPhone can shoot in 4K and it can do great color. This is like somebody that doesn't know what they're doing with an iPhone or with editing. So this isn't a horrible video. It is good enough to use. I just definitely wouldn't have it in this top section. I'd put it below a little bit. And what I would do in the top section is have a large, beautiful image with some text and an online scheduling button that tells me, yes, this is a hair salon. The photo of the person either has beautiful hair or it's somebody doing a hair service. Like right here, if I took this image, but like this idea of an image, this is kind of ugly. There's no color. It just doesn't look good. But like that kind of thing in this header section as just an image would be best, along with an online scheduling button would be best. Now I understand these guys have two locations, so on a marketing side is a little bit more confusing for them. So I want to give them the benefit of the doubt. But if you have two locations, you have to be like on your A game. Because that's the first thing that's going to be confusing to the user. And if you confuse, you lose when it comes to your marketing. So let's scroll down a little bit. And it looks like the first thing they want to tell me, because they haven't had any text up here, the first thing they want to tell me with text, they have two convenient locations. And right off the bat, like it's great that they have an address, but these maps are worthless. I can't even tell what the cross streets are. Looking at this, even if I lived like right here, I wouldn't know where this is at. So get rid of these maps. They're totally worthless. And then it looks like if I want to schedule an appointment, there's a phone number and there's an online scheduling button probably. The phone number and the online scheduling are the most important things on this website because that's how you get them to actually schedule an appointment. So if the point of your website is to convert visitors into clients and get them to schedule an appointment, the things that you want them to do needs to be front and center, and it's just not front and center with this. Okay, we're scrolling down a little bit, and it tells me about the products. Now, if you are in the hair industry or in the hair business, you know Bumble and Bumble and Goldwell, there's great products, so you can tell this is probably more of a high-end salon because they're using high-end products. However, this is taking up a ton of space, and it just isn't really beneficial to the average person that is looking for a new hairstylist. So I would use something like this, but I would just like use an inch all the way across, and I wouldn't make it like a front and center thing. Next, actually, this is the very bottom of the website. They have an About Us section with a lot of text. Nobody's going to read this text because people don't read websites. They scan websites. They do this. They scroll, and they're like, is this website for me or not? And if they say yes, they schedule an appointment. If they say no, they click the back button. Nobody's actually going to read this unless they're convinced by all this stuff up here. What this website needs is real simple 3 to 5 sentence text headings that tell me, and visuals, images that tell me that they are a website that I can, or they're a salon that I can trust. So let's go over to my website real quick. This is my example website. And this is the website that I actually create and show you how to create in my online course called Salon Website Academy. And if you're interested in that, you can always go to salonwebsiteacademy.com and check that out. And I will show you from start to finish how you can build your own website, actually how to build this exact website. Above the scroll is this. So in the first 5 seconds, I can tell it's a salon. The salon name right there, it says love your hair. Okay, so I know it's a salon. 2, are they going to give me an excellent hair service? Love your hair. Okay, it looks like they care about doing good work. You deserve to look and feel your best. Those are the taglines. I can tell in the first 5 seconds of reading this that they're going to provide a great hair service. And then the third thing is, how do I schedule an appointment? Well, right here's their online scheduling. This passes that test of the first 3 things they need to be able to do above the scroll in the first 5 seconds. So now what I'm going to do with this website is I'm going to slowly scroll, and you just think for yourself, is this easily scannable? Because people don't read websites, they just scan them. And then, is it convincing me that this is a salon that I want to go to? Now, just scrolling at this pace, I'm like, okay, they have beautiful images. They have really simple icons. There's a video here if I want to watch it. There's a lot of different things on this website that make it extremely easy for me to see what it's about and to make an informed decision if I want to get my hair done here and trust these people with my hair. So here's the thing. If you're a hairstylist and either A, you have a crummy website, or B, if you're a salon that already, if you already have a website and it's like Bloom Salon here, that's really not converting visitors into clients. Because let's be honest, if 10 people come to this website and only 2 clients result from that, that's 20% conversion rate. That's no good. But if you have a website like this and you get more like a 60, 70, 80% conversion rate, that means that you are making a ton more money. You're getting more clients than Bloom Salon because your conversion rate on your website is higher. And that's what we're going for in your website, is when they arrive here, to get them to click that scheduling button so that you have new clients, so that you're growing your business rapidly, much more rapidly than if you had a website like this. So if you want this exact website and you don't want to build it yourself, all you have to do is come over to salongrowthacademy.com/website and then click this green bar up here. That'll take you to a checkout page, and you will just fill in your information, and then I will build this exact website for you. We'll swap out your logo, we'll swap out your contact information, we'll swap out your online scheduling if you have that, and make sure that people know, like you'll have this exact website, it'll be your own, you'll have all the rights to it if you like that. And again, if you want to just check out the website, all you have to do is just go to salongrowthacademy.com/website. You can check this out for yourself. You can read through all the text. If this seems like something that you want for your salon, I will build it for you for a absolutely low monthly payment. Like I said, the whole point of this is because there's a lot of hair professionals out there that are broke, and I don't want you to be one of them, and you need a website that converts visitors into clients. This one does it. This follows the exact formula that I used in my hair salon over the last 12 years. That's made us over $1 million in revenue and gets us 30 to 40 new clients per month consistently. It's all because we're converting visitors into clients. So if you want this website for your salon, I will make it just for you. And all you have to do is just click this green button. Once you get to salongrowthacademy.com/website, that'll take you to the checkout page. And I will have this website up and running for you probably in the next few days, if that is what you want to do. So thanks so much for watching, and make today extraordinary.